like head first. And
Yeah, my golden, he was terrified of like the water.
that's so funny. That's unusual.
Yes, I took him to a lake, just like a man-made lake, so it's not like Lake Erie. This one's in South Carolina, and he just stood on the edge, and he was like tail between his legs, between my legs. It's like, you are a water dog. People are looking at you that have water dogs and they're frisbeeing. Like, it's like, you're so embarrassing.
That's so funny.
But he was afraid of everything.
Gracie's like, I'm gonna kill you.
You know, we have a 16-year-old beagle at home too.
Aww.
Gracie just kind of like they tolerate each other.
Yeah. Look at them.
Aww.